Welcome to Exploring Atlanta, the ultimate guide to Atlanta's rich history, diverse culture, and must-see attractions. In today's episode, we explore Tre Vele, an upscale Italian restaurant and market specializing in handmade pasta and contemporary expressions of Italian classics. Located at 6017 Sandy Springs Circle in Sandy Springs, Georgia, 12 miles north of downtown Atlanta. Before we dive into the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, as it helps us bring you more videos like this. The two chefs behind Tre Vele's new Italian concept are Great Britain native Ian Winslade and Giancarlo Ruiz. Master chef and partner Winslade is at the helm of Tre Vele and has been a pillar in Atlanta's dining scene for over 2 decades. He forged his culinary path at some of the most critically acclaimed restaurants in the country, including New York's Le Bernardin. Tre Vele features an extensive bar, rooftop terrace, and patio. Its captivating ambience makes for a memorable dining experience. Enjoy delicious food, excellent service, and music in a relaxing atmosphere. Choose from a wide range of menu entrees from land, sea, and air. Favorite entrees include tiramisu, caprese salad, honey whipped ricotta, cannolis, lasagna, cacio e pepe, truffle, and octopus. The servers are friendly, knowledgeable, and eager to make recommendations at your discretion. Tre Vele is a must-visit spot for elevated Italian cuisine, marketing cafe, specialty coffee drinks, fresh pastries all day, in addition to retail house-made pasta, sauces, and meals to go. Your taste buds will thank you. Restaurant hours are Monday through Thursday from 11:30 a.m. until 10 p.m., Friday and Saturday from 11:30 a.m. until 11 p.m., and Sunday from 11 a.m. until 9 p.m. Weekend brunch on Saturday and Sunday. Cafe and market hours are Monday through Saturday from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m., Sunday from 11 a.m. until 9 p.m. Reservations are encouraged. Join us on this virtual tour as we explore what's cooking at Tre Vele. We hope you find this presentation insightful and enjoyable in so much as we enjoy presenting it to you. May I remind you to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. Click the all notifications bell so you receive an alert each time we upload a new video. Now, let's go exploring.